Good morning, students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Okay, you're fine. Good. Yesterday we were talking about which lesson? What was our name of lesson? It was quite interesting lesson. What was that? The singular and plural. Correct or not? You have studied this lesson many times. The singular and plural. And here are some examples which we discussed yesterday. Correct? We have discussed those rules yesterday. Correct? How plurals are formed? How plurals are formed? Plurals are formed by adding s. Plurals are formed by adding s. For example, hat, one hat, many hats. One leg, many legs. Yesterday I told you, I have shown you for what we call. There was one pen in my hand, and then I told you I have many pens. Then I have 3 pens were there in my hand. So pen, one pen, many pens. Second example, second rule of how plurals are formed is by adding es to the singular form of nouns ending in o, s, sh, ch and x. We have studied this yesterday, right? Now, if the words are ending with o letter, those words, when they change to plurals, what they form? Potato will change to potatoes, es we have added. Mango will change to mangoes. Both words are having which letters in the ending? Both words are having o letter in the ending. Potato, mangoes, right? Tomato also. Tomato. One tomato, many. What will happen of many? Many tomatoes. What we have added? We have added es. When the words are ending with o letter, those words, what we are adding to those words? We are adding es to those words. When words are ending with s letter, when the words are ending with s letter, what we do? For those words also we add es. Gas, yes, gases. One gas, many gases. One lass, many lasses. One glass, many glasses. Correct? Next one is, we studied about ending in o. Okay? Ending, the words which are ending with s. Second one, the words which are ending with sh. The words which are ending with sh, brush, brush, ending with what? Sh. Then one brush, many brushes. Next one, the words which are ending with ch. The words which are ending with which letters? The words which are ending with ch letters. What we do for those words? We add es to those words. What we add? We add es. Can you see here now? Church, church, church will change to churches. bench, bench will change to benches. And the last one is the words which are ending with x letter. What it becomes? One box, many boxes. One fox, many foxes. In this way, yesterday we studied about 2 rules. Now there are some exceptional examples. Some examples are little different. Some examples are very different. For those examples, words are ending with o. What? Words are ending with o. For example, kilo, kilo, kilo. Piano. What is this? Words are ending with what? Photo. Some more examples are there. Radio. Now when we want to write down, can you see all 4 examples? When we have to write down plurals of these 4 words, which 4 words? Kilo, piano, photo and radio. आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? ह्या 4 शब्दांचं ज्यावेळेस आपण प्लुरल फॉर्म करतो, मेनी, एक फोटो, मेनी फोटोज, एक पियानो, मेनी पियानोज, one radio, many radios, 1 kilo, many kilos. In this examples, everywhere what is there? O is there in ending. And before this examples, I told you the words which are ending with O, what we are adding to those words? We are adding es. पण हे जे काही शब्द आहेत, 4 शब्द, ह्या 4 शब्दांना आपण es लावत नाही. We are not adding es. What we are adding? We are adding only s. Kilo will change to kilos, s. Piano will change to pianos, only s we have added. Photo will become photos, only s. And radio, one radio, many radios. 1 kilo, many kilos. 1 piano, many pianos. 1 photo, many photos. 1 radio, many radios. That are some exceptional cases. Exceptional cases means what? Some exceptionals are there. Exceptions means what? काही शब्दांना आपण es लावत नाही. कोणते शब्द आहेत तसे? किलो, पियानो, फोटो, रेडिओ, या शब्दांना आपण es लावत नाही ज्यावेळेस आपण त्यांचं प्लुरल फॉर्म करतो. नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड वन इज चेंज द फायनल. नेक्स्ट वन इज चेंज द फायनल y of the singular into I. What we have to do? The words which are ending with y. The words, third rule, instead of the words I will write down change y into I and add es. What we have to do? Change y into I. Now the words which are having y in the ending, खूप सारे शब्द आहे, त्या शब्दांना काय आहे? y आहे एंडिंगला. फॉर एक्झाम्पल लेडी, करेक्ट? LADY, lady. BABY, baby. Y is there? Yes, both places y is there. LADY, lady. BABY, baby. LILY, lily. Y आहे का? So what we have to do of this y? Instead of y, we are going to write down I and we are going to add es. समजलं? y काढायचा, त्याच्या y ऐवजी काय लिहायचा? I लिहायचा आणि त्याला काय जोडायचं? es. So 1 lady, many ladies. 1 baby, many babies. Now what we are going to change y? Y ऐवजी आपण काय लिहिणार आहे? I. What we are going to write down instead of y? We are going to write down I and we are going to add es. So 1 baby, many babies. 1 lily, lily is a flower. Many, LIY will change to I and this es we are going to add, it will become lilies. Understood? Can you see or what? Even body also, body word is there. Body, BODY, body. Y we are going to change to I. Y ऐवजी आपण काय लिहिणार आहे? I आणि काय जोडलं? es. 1 body, many bodies. Understood this rule? Third rule is what? First rule, how plurals were formed by which rule? Only by adding s. Second one was what? The words which are ending with o, correct? The words which are ending with sh, the words which are ending with ch, the words which are ending with x, correct? Such words when we will see, or the words which are ending with s, correct? O, s, sh, ch and x. These 5 words or words which are ending with these 5 letters, what we have to do? We have to add es to that words. And third rule is what? Wherever whichever words will have y letter in the ending, इन्स्टेड ऑफ वाय, वाय काढायचा आणि त्याच्याऐवजी आय टाकायचा आणि ES जोडायचा. कोणत्या शब्दांना? ज्या शब्दांना शेवटी वाय असतो, ज्या शब्दांना शेवटी वाय लेटर असतो, वाय ऐवजी आय लिहायचा आणि ES जोडायचा. अंडरस्टूड? आय थिंक यू हॅव अंडरस्टूड थर्ड रूल. Correct? Tomorrow we will study fourth rule. Let me just see, it is possible or what now? No. Tomorrow we will see fourth rule. What is fourth rule? Add S if the Y of singular comes after the vowel. That I will tell you tomorrow. It will take more time. So that a part we will study tomorrow about singular and plurals. I think you are understanding. I am taking it very slowly and steadily so that you should understand. It should go perfect inside the brain. Okay. Thank you for today. We'll meet tomorrow.